Hello friends, today I will transfer some of the USDT coin from my future wallet to spot wallet. As you can see, I'm already logged into my Binance account. So let's go to wallet section. I'm already on the future tab. Let's click on transfer. I will transfer from future wallet to spot wallet, so I need to swipe the position. Let's click on the right arrow, this arrow. I click on the max amount. Okay, confirm transfer. My balance has gone to 0. Let's check on spot wallet. Yeah, the balance has been transferred and my USDT balance has increased. Here we can see in the history. So that's pretty much it, guys. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching.